Alright folks, I'm gonna get this all set up here. 2017, a little farm tour here. I cleaned the screen off. Lots of projects here. 2008 cat, she's down. Got a lot of stuff. That's a farm truck, hauls the seed in. It's down. 45, it's down. Gotta get it running, harvest crops. Got the grocery getter. I got one mower to fix the other mowers. There, BA 200. Seat's blown out. Water pump's out. It's broke. Flat tire, pliers. This is our tender rig. Had a winch mount up there, it blew out. We gotta fix a couple things back here like this. Crop prices were bad last year. Crop prices probably gonna be bad this year, so I don't know if we'll get anything fixed. Like farm 400. Little tour. Got a little hooch there. Just built 2017. There's a log splitter. Got a tie rod out. Bush fix. Simple as that. Just wrap some wire around there. Install that. That 400's down too. That H is down. This is down. The ring's down. That's a little dirty. A little dirty. Huh? Yeah. I just uploaded right from my phone.
I didn't make no question.
Huh?
I won't be able to watch what we're doing while I'm sitting here.
No, because I have to hit the button to do it.
And if you got a crack anywhere else, you get drawn attention. That's why I both of them manual flex, honestly.
What? Well, yeah, you about got to.
I would just be on the safe side. I mean,
We're gonna say you got a leak.
manual, that's only cost.
Main farm tractor. 2840. Got to get in there. We got a fuel leak. It's alright. Corn prices were bad last year, so we ain't getting it repaired. Don't even ask. That same problem down here, that's leaking. It's all blown out. We do got a new seat though. Our yard apes required it. Come over here, this tour at the cultivator. Our deck off our fucking Kubota. We're mowing, ironing flat loose. Ain't preparing this year. When prices are down. There's our irrigator. We picked it up. We do got bad tire, but we will get to it. Here's our disc right here. It's really nice. It's one of our favorite pieces of equipment right here. Got a little feed wagon right here. Put a couple bags of seed in it. That's how we get to it. Right here's our fueling trailer. We plan on putting the tank on there when we run out of fuel out in the field. We got fuel leaks. We'll go through 500 gallons out here. It's pretty bad. Got decks right there. We got them lined up. They're both broke right now. Gearbox let loose, froze up on that. We slipped a fucking transaxle gear on that. There's a satellite that fell off the barn. It's our livestock right here, our milk house. You guys tour of our milk house. Yeah, let the little air movement out. There you go. Now you're getting the air moving through there. Yeah. Let me get a concrete block for that one, Scotty. Let me get something to block it open. Oh, there, a little cleaning out, eh? There we go. Those are milk cows. Our dairy cows are out in the back 40. Come up there. Our pigeons. Pigeons in there. There are roosters. They're for sale, $12.95. There they are. Some flies. A John boat for the lake. Their fucking bird dog. Freeze them. Come on out. Yep, haven't had any eggs laid in months. Time to kill.